once again, no? So here, again, so marigin mo yan 2 months, no? So here, and that's thanks to, no? So there you are, to, no? Again, the gasoline to Cho is about 4 kilograms today. Then 15 seconds. Hold Cho, no? Hold Cho, 15 seconds. So start.
Sige.
Now, okay, 1, 2, 3, put your Cho, 4, 5,
Sige.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, here, no? Again, thank you, Cho. And relax. Again, this is 4 kilograms. Last time is about 4 kilograms but 10 seconds. So today we increase, no? Para rin siya maka-stand up, no? Nga siya ay spinal muscles nga makakuha gino nga maka-balance. Then makadupo siya Irwin ergometer by which that's the stress test from the heart, no? Okay? Again, thank you Kenicho. Nalantay ko nga muscles nga 15 seconds na putay 10 seconds, no? Intellectual papertina, no? So here, Cho. Again, Cho here, side Cho, side, no? Kana Cho, no? Again, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, good. Again, congrats kay Nicho, no? So, ito ipakita, no? Here, no? Again, duha ka weights, no? Ade here, ang usa ka weights niya ato nang gitimbang. Again, intellectual property ng uban, no? I would like thanks to Cho, no? Sa iyang support, ha? Without gini mawa na ko without your support, no? Then to the tutupod without whole family support, no? Again, I would like to dedicate this ko, ano, si Richard Branson. Again, extend na ko gamay kay nawa mo ko for 3 days, no? Because of the over fatigue. No nga, itong gipanikamutan kay ako ragi mo type, ako ratanan, no? Ako agi ni tanan, no? Again, sinulong 35th anniversary, ha? Again, we are millennium, no? And here, again, this is Justin Bieber from the Galactic, yeah? Again, and then Virgin Media, Sir Branson, thank you for imutang kuha, no? Again, thank you.